Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to change the primary alias on your Microsoft account. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. Click on Your Info in the top menu bar. Now, in the Account Info section, click on Edit Account Info. Under Account Aliases section, you can find all the email address and phone number aliases you have added to your Microsoft account. Find the email address you want to set as primary, then click on the Make Primary link next to it. Click Yes to continue. That's it. Your secondary email address is now set as your primary email address. This is how you can change the primary alias on your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching.